let me show you how to change a needle on your mini sewing machine. First, if you're wondering what is the size of the needle for the sewing machine, so it's 90 by 14, so a standard size that fits pretty much any sewing machine. I'll leave a link in the description both on Amazon and AliExpress where you can get needles for these. For example, like a set of 5 of them literally cost maybe like $1 only on AliExpress, so again they're very inexpensive here. So then, yeah, if you want to change a needle, so first what we have to do is, so using your turn wheel, simply lift up the needle, so turn it basically your sides, so we can get the needle in the highest possible position. And if you check over here on the machine, so you have this screw here that we can use to release the needle. So either take a small screwdriver, or you can also take this bobbin essentially, and also as you see it even fits inside there. So let me zoom in a bit better. So you see I'll simply take this thing over here and I can simply turn it like this, so counterclockwise to release it. So you see, like this, and then eventually the needle will even slide itself out. And to install the needle back in, it's also very easy, but first find where you have the flat edge on the needle. So you see it has one flat edge, the rest is round. So the flat edge goes on the right side, so facing the right side. So you see, I will turn it like this, so the flat side basically is here. So again, I will simply put it inside here. So see, you maybe like can even like drop it inside the sewing machine itself to gain access. So you see, put it inside. Again, there's pretty much like all one way how to like install it, so it doesn't even goes the incorrect way inside. So you see how far I'm actually pushing it inside here. And again, let's simply tighten this first with your fingers. Also make sure this thing is basically facing towards you like this, so it's actually quite square. And again, we can either use a screwdriver or also this bobbin casing to properly tighten it. Okay, so and that's all there is to it. Okay, good luck.